How to add your website logo in WordPress. So first of all, go to your WordPress dashboard. From here, go to the appearance and click on customize. Once you open the customizer, you will see a live preview of your website on the right side and your editing options on the left side. Now you need to look for the header option because your logo is always managed from the header section. So click on header. Inside the header settings, you will see the option for logo. This option will look slightly different depending on your theme. So click on logo settings. You will see the select logo option. Click on it and now you can upload your own logo from your computer. After selecting the logo, you can see it has been added, but the size might be too large. Below you will see the logo size option. For example, if the current size is 200 pixel, you can reduce it to around 70 pixel. Now the logo looks perfect. Next, you also need to set the logo size for tablet view. Click on the tablet icon and adjust the size. For example, set it to 60 pixel. Then select the mobile icon and set the mobile logo size to around 50 pixel. Now your logo is fully responsive on all devices, desktop, tablet and mobile. Once everything looks perfect, click on publish button at the top and your changes will be saved. Now open your website and refresh the page. You will see your logo added perfectly with proper sizing on all devices.